Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to do something that has been requested way too much on this channel ever since I started my YouTube channel, and it's my hair care routine. Now, I don't really put a lot of products in my hair and I don't do a lot for my hair, so I'm just going to tell you what I do and how they have, and how effective it has been. And I'm also going to give in a few tips that I actually use, and I feel like it has helped me with the quality of my hair. And before I get into this video, I want to tell you a little bit about my hair. So, genetically, touch wood, I have been blessed with really good hair and very good skin, which I have done a very good job at completely ruining. And sometimes I actually feel so bad about it because I used to have really good hair. I had really healthy poker straight hair that the hair that I have left right now is not even like 1/10 of the amount of hair that I used to have. Like, I had a lot of hair. Like a rubber band wouldn't even go twice around my hair. So that is how thick my hair was. It was straight and really very good quality hair. And I was told ever since I was a little girl that, oh, you have such good hair and you're so you're so lucky, and we're so jealous that you have such good hair and all of that. And I always just believe that yes, I have good hair and I don't really have to do anything about it. And that sort of worked for a while, but after I got married, my hair went for a complete toss, and then I realized that I wasn't doing much for my hair, but my parents were. They ensured that I did eat a lot of green vegetables. They ensured even my water intake, like to keep us hydrated. They made sure that we were out playing every single day. Basic things that we don't do, as adults, as grown-ups. And I feel like that was one of the major things that really ruined my hair. The second thing is hormonal. So right now, the biggest issue I face with my hair is extreme hair fall, and that is hormonal. That I don't think a lot of these things can help with. But these things that I'm using, that I've just started doing, and in just like one time of me using these products, I feel like it has already refined the quality of my hair. So I feel like yes, while it can't help with your hormonal imbalances and all that, it can really, if you just have basic hair fall and if you just want your hair to be healthy in a basic way, these products really might help you guys. So I had naturally straight hair. I don't really have curly hair, but right now, as you can tell, that my ends are all like curly and dry. So right now I do have a lot of dry hair, right? So a few things that I've started doing along with the products that I've been using, I feel it has really refined the quality of my hair all over again. Even just one wash has changed a few things, and those are the things that I just used to get lazy about doing. That is, I know as bad as it gets, as annoying as it gets when people say this, and I myself used to scoff at people when they would say that, oh, keep yourself hydrated, eat good food and all that. I feel like that makes a huge difference. If you're not hydrated, it will definitely show on your skin and on your hair. Your skin will get texture and your hair will like go all over the place. The second thing I want to tell you guys is, the one thing I used to do when I had really good hair as opposed to now is, back in the day, I would never tie my hair. I never used to tie my hair because I used to get a headache every time I tied my hair because my hair was that thick. And lately, obviously, when you have a house to handle on your own and you have things to do around the house, it gets hot, and I've perpetually lived in a bun, a tight bun where you twist your hair and I put it on top. I've lived like that for probably the last two and a half years at least. And I feel like that has really changed the way my hair was. My hair used to be strong like this, but I feel like my hair is much weaker like this because it's been constantly twisted and it's constantly there up on in a bun. So try and keep your hair open as much as you can. I know you can't keep your hair open at all times. You need to go for a shower, and you also need to work around the house if you're doing that, and you need your hair up in a place. Then just ditch regular hair ties and get something like this. Now this is a spring sort of a hair tie. When it comes off, it doesn't really pull any of my hair. I feel it just slides off my hair, and this really holds my hair in place. It's pretty good. It's very light. It doesn't really weigh down my hair. I feel with those bigger hair ties, they do really weigh down your hair. And even when you're pulling hair ties out, I feel like a lot of hair comes out with it. So these don't do that to me. These just slide off my hair. So basically in this video, I'm just telling you how I'm getting my hair back, and if there are more things that I add to my hair care, or if there are more things that I try, I will make a part 2 of this video, and I will do a video maybe 2 months from now or 3 months from now with an update, because I've just started using these products. I mean, I've just washed my hair once, and because I feel like it's been a good result, like my hair is feeling better already. That's the reason why I'm making this video. But more than that, I'm going to do an updated video as well and show you how my hair looks in the next time. Hopefully it does get better, and hopefully I do find a few more tips and tricks to share with you guys again. So yeah, the second thing that I feel that I do is not applying enough conditioner or not conditioning at all. And you know, I mean, none of us have a lot of time, and in the bathroom you don't really want to waste a lot of time washing your hair. So I have never really skipped conditioner, but there have been times, especially lately, especially when my hair was just not in its good state, that I used to get so sick and tired of it that if I had to wash my hair in an emergency, I would just go without a conditioner. And that is something that I feel like it sort of damaged my hair, that there was no need for me to do that. Even now, like, you know, always keep a backup of your products. I mean, it's just going to help, so you don't really go without your conditioner. The third thing is, even if you are using a conditioner, try to have the conditioner on your head for about 10 minutes. So what I like to do is I first go wash my hair completely, put my conditioner, and then I put a shower cap on, or I just make a rough sort of a bun and use this hair tie. And then I do the rest of my body bath and everything, face and all of that. And then I, you know, because there has been enough time, I leave it on for some time in the shampoo, and I leave it on for some time in the shower, and then I wash my hair. The most important tip is that please do not, you know, put your hair up in a towel, and please do not rinse your hair, because you're just twisting your hair again. And I have been guilty of doing that for so long now. I mean, for the last 2-3 years I've been doing that, and just 1 or 2 times of me not doing it and I've already seen a difference, which is why I'm telling you guys not to do it. Get an old t-shirt like this. This is a very old t-shirt of Venky's that I really like. What I do is I just put my hair up in this t-shirt, if I have to put it up, if it's really wet, and I really dab my hair and I just press it, and I try to get the water out of it as much as possible. So that is what I do, and I feel like it really helps. I mean, you don't want the, you know, you don't want a Turkish towel and its abrasive nature to really spoil your hair. Now, one more thing that I would like to add is my hair that you're seeing is completely natural. I have never colored my hair. I have no intentions of coloring my hair. I currently have a lot of white hair right over here where you can completely see it, but I don't want to color my hair. And also I don't think I've used any heat on my hair in the last 2 years. I might not have. In the initial year when I just got married, and when I was just about to get married, and that entire year of me being married, 1.5 years or 2 years, I probably used quite a bit of heat, which was still not much compared to what most people use. I let my hair air dry, and I don't really like using any heat on myself. So yeah, now let's get into the products, because I feel like I've spoken forever. So the first things first is, this is a shout out to one of my really good friends called Akriti. She is a savior when it comes to, you know, asking about products. Like, she's my one-stop shop for everything. Like, I need to ask her about a doctor, I'm going to go to her. I need to ask her about hair oil, I'm going to go to her. I need to ask her about a tailor, I'm going to go to her. She is fantastic. And hi Akriti, thank you so much for helping me out at all times. So, you know, I've always oiled my hair, always oiled my hair. When I was growing up, my parents always oiled my hair. Now my parents, I think they used almond oil on my hair a lot of times, or coconut oil on my hair. Nothing fancy, just basic almond oil and coconut oil. But after I got married, obviously, like, I just let go. I never ever oiled my hair. I think in the last 4 years I might have oiled my hair about 3 or 4 times when I had a lot of headache and things like that. Maybe then, otherwise just never, which was horrible. And I never really did any hair packs or any of that, which is why my hair went for a toss. So I just decided not to do that anymore, and I decided to start oiling my hair before shampooing every single time. So the oil that my friend recommended, and I got it, is this Kalonji oil, because, you know, they say you need to apply onion water on your hair and it does well for your hair, but onion water is really troublesome. I don't know if any of you have tried it. The thought of it grosses me out. I can't put it in my hair and, you know, leave it on and all of that. I don't know, I'm sure it works, but I don't think I can do it. I anyway need to oil my hair, which is by Kalonji's onion seeds, and I got this one. It's from this brand called, I'm just going to leave all the links in the description below. I got this from Amazon, and this is something that Akriti advised me to get. Now this is just not a very fancy looking bottle. It's a Mohammedia product, and now this is something that people take, like they use it to drink. It says take half a teaspoon of kalonji oil in a glass, add warm milk, la la. So I don't really drink this. I put it on my hair before I wash my hair and it works. And I did use this when she had recommended it to me, which was in about April, I think, or March. I used this a couple of times and I felt that it had really worked on my hair, and I completely forgot about it after that because you know, lazy. This did help with reducing my hair fall, I feel, and which is why I think it's fantastic. It might completely stop yours, so try this out. The second thing I put on my hair, because I feel like this is not enough on its own. I mean, it's a fantastic oil, don't get me wrong, but I feel like my ends are extremely dry, which is why I found this Juicy Chemistry Argan and Mango Butter Mask, and this is basically a hair butter, and it smells pretty good. It smells very minty actually, and I went and I got this mask from Nykaa, and I just obviously used it once and I completely forgot about it. But then I remembered that I had this really oily thick mask that I didn't really like putting on my scalp, so I decided to start using it on my ends. So I use these both together and I feel like it works really well. It does soften my hair and moisturize well. So that is all I do for my hair. That is all I've done. And I washed my hair with a shampoo that was recommended by my hairdresser when I went for a haircut, which is like forever ago, probably in Feb or something. And I got the L'Oreal Professional shampoo, the Density Advanced shampoo. Now this is something that I have been using. This is my third bottle, and I feel like this is a decent shampoo, but I want to move on to a sulfate free or paraben free shampoo. When I just started using it, I liked it. I thought it did make a difference, but I've been using it for a while and I feel like it's okay, like it's just a shampoo. So now you have to know that a shampoo is only going to work on your hair and remove lather for like less than a minute. So having shampoo on your head for a very long time is not really going to help, you know. A shampoo is just going to wash off all the products. It needs to wash off all the oil and the gunk from your scalp and your hair. So I don't really recommend buying an extremely expensive shampoo, because it's just going to sit on your hair for a minute or two at the max, and more than that it's not, I mean, you're not going to leave it in your hair, right? So invest in products that you're going to leave in your hair. Now you know what I'm talking about, right? So the next thing I use is a conditioner, obviously, and for my conditioner I use this L'Oreal Mythic Oil mask. Now I remember that I used to use these sort of masks back in the day as well. I used to use these sort of masks as well back in the day, and I wouldn't really use those other conditioners, the ones in tubes and bottles, because I felt like they were really runny in consistency and they were not moisturizing enough. Like this smells fantastic, you guys. I really like the way this smells, and this is a really thick mask sort of a conditioner, and I just use a scoop full, like I scoop it with 3 or 4 fingers of mine and I put it all over my hair. Like I put it from like the entire shaft of my hair to the what's this called, the ends of my hair. I don't put it on my scalp, but yeah, I really like this conditioner and I feel like this really works. The next thing that I feel like has made a lot of difference along with my oils is this is my leave-in conditioner, and I've been using the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula leave-in conditioner. Now I really like this product because every time I don't use it, I feel like I can notice that I haven't used it. This smells really nice. This actually smells like one of those toffees that we used to get when we were kids. Now this leave-in conditioner I feel really works. It's moisturizing. I mean, it's not just like water. It doesn't have any silicone in it. I can feel that there's no silicone in it, and that is something I really like. I feel like it has some sort of a moisturizing agent in it, some sort of a cream in it that does you know, tame your hair and moisturize your hair. So earlier I used to just use a very tiny bit of this, but now I just go all out and I just like spray it all over my hair, and I feel like it really does make my hair feel much better than it used to. And this is really funny coming from me, because I could go without a conditioner and my hair would have been like straight and shiny and tame and all of that, and today I feel like I need a really nice heavy duty sort of a leave-in conditioner. Now another tip I want to give you is, what I really like to do sometimes is, after I've put it on my hair and I feel like I still need a little more moisture, I spray a lot of it on my brush and then I brush my hair with it, and I feel like it does tame away all the flyaways, like all the extra flyaway sort of hair that I do have here and there, broken bits of hair that stand out. I feel like it just does tame all of that and makes my hair look really nice. So that is another thing that I do. I have been also using this Batiste dry shampoo. Now I've been using this because I don't want to wash my hair a lot. I don't wash my hair more than thrice a week at any cost, and sometimes I even try to make it like twice a week, because I feel like, you know, why dry your hair out? And definitely please oil your hair before you wash your hair, because it's just going to make a huge difference. Even if you can do it for an hour, even if you do it for 10 minutes, just do it, get into the habit and try to do it overnight, because I feel like it's definitely going to help you guys out. I think it's going to help every single person. Like, even if you have really oily scalp, it's going to help you if you oil your hair. I feel like the dry shampoos do accumulate, and then there's a lot of product build up on my scalp, and then it gets itchy and all of that, which is why I don't really enjoy using this. This is just for emergencies. I don't use it all the time, but I just want to show you all the products that I have and all the products that I've been using. None of these are very expensive products. These are all very reasonably priced. And there's one more thing that I remember that I have and I used to use. Now this is something that I just got out of storage. I did buy this, and I remember I used it once upon a time, and like you can see over there, and I don't even remember what it was, but I remember it making my hair a little shiny. But I haven't used this now recently for me to even recommend this to you, but I remember that it did make my hair shiny, and it was not really expensive at all. It's from Biotique. It's called the Biomask Root Fresh Growth Nourishing Treatment Pack. You're apparently supposed to mix it with honey, mix it with curds or egg and put it on your hair. I remember I probably mixed it with curds because I don't like egg anyway. So I did that and I put it in my hair, and I remember it making my hair a little shiny. So I just want to tell you guys about that as well. And I think before washing my hair the next time, I'm definitely going to try this out as well, and I shall let you guys know on Instagram how this worked for me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, and don't forget to hit the bell icon that notifies you each time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.